Hi, how's your day? What you are watching is a sachet packaging machine. It used piston pump as filling system. You can see here, the pump extracted the liquid from the hopper and push into the sachet package. And at the lower part of the machine, where the sachet package is hot sealed. This is where the servo mechanism works, which is the most important part of the machine. As you can see, it controls the whole machine in a compact space, and it's solid, low noises, and high efficiency. Here the servo motor control, the feeding system with high accuracy. With all that, the flow of the machine becomes smooth and easy, from pump, fill, seal, and trim. Thanks for watching this demonstration of sachet packaging machine. See you next time.